Tired of printing, scanning, and mailing documents just to get a simple signature? Let's dive right into how to request a signature on Docusign. First, log into your Docusign account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, click the New button. It's usually located at the top left of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Upload and choose the document you want to send for signature from your computer. Now that your document is uploaded, it's time to add recipients. Enter their names and email addresses in the designated fields. You can also set the signing order if needed. Next, drag and drop the signature, date, and any other necessary fields onto your document. Make sure to place them exactly where you need them. You can customize the size and appearance of these fields too. Once you've placed all the fields and double-checked everything, click the Send button located at the top right. And that's it. Your document has been sent for signature. Docusign will automatically notify the recipient, and you'll receive a notification once it's signed. It's that simple.